Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rani Ramita. Let me explain about South Korea. Republic of Korea, Korean Danghan, Minggu, Hangul, Hanja, or commonly known as South Korea, is a country in Asia which covers the southern part of the Korean Peninsula. To the north, the Republic of Korea border North Korea, where the two united as a nation until 1948. The Yellow Sea to the west, Japan, is across the Sea of Japan, called the East Sea by the Korean people. And the Strait of Korea lies across southeast. The country is known as Hanguk by residents of South Korea and is called Namkoson, South Koson in North Korea. The capital city of South Korea is Seoul. South Korea covers 100,339 km2, which is smaller than North Korea. The topography is mostly hilly and uneven. Mountains in the eastern region generally become the headwaters of larger rivers, such as the Han River and the Naktong River. Meanwhile, the western region is a low part consisting of muddy coastal plains. In the western and southern regions where there are many bays, there are many good ports such as Incheon, Yuso, Gimhae, and Busan. South Korea has about 3,000 islands, most of which are small and uninhabited. These islands are spread from west to south of South Korea. Jeju Island, located about 100 km in southern part of South Korea, is the largest island with an area of 1,845 km2. Mount Halla is the highest volcano and the highest point in South Korea, located on Jeju Island. The island located in the easternmost region of South Korea are Uleok-do and Batu Langkurt, while Mara-do and Socotra Rock are the southernmost island in South Korea. South Korea has a lot of diversity, starting from the diversity of its traditional culture, various types of food and drink, and places that have a lot of history in South Korea. And it turns out that there are many unique facts found in South Korea. Among others, people sit, eat, and sleep on the floor. Going barefoot without socks considered rude. The boundary between North and South Korea is only limited by a guard post, each 200 meters wide. An area of 2 meters is a boundary called the Demilitarized Zone (DMZ). Ironically, the DMZ is precisely the most dangerous military zone in the world. South Korea does not have a majority religious group. 46% of the population is not affiliated with one religion. 29% are Christian and 23% are Buddhist. President Park Geun-hye is an atheist, associated with Buddhism and Catholicism. According to a report by the Council on Foreign Relations, South Korea has the highest rate in the world in terms of plastic surgery, with 1 in 5 people having plastic surgery. The elites are the most motivated to plastic surgery. Those are some unique facts about South Korea. South Korea also has many types of specialty foods, including kimchi, kimbap, bibimbap, bulgogi, jjamyeon, myeokguk, sanakji or live octopus, and Korea also has typical roadside snack. If it was heavy food, then this is Korean roadside snacks. Tteokbokki, Korean ommuk or odeng, bungeoppang snack, Korean style pancake or hotdog, bapki. After we discuss the food, then we will discuss historical places in South Korea, including the Sanhesa Temple, built in the 7th century. The Zen Buddhist temple was burned down 5 times between 699 and 1645. Sanhesa Temple is a stopover for tourists wishing to climb to the top of the Mount Sorak. When you stop there, you can see a 15-fold 6-meter height bronze Buddha statue. Gyeongbokgung Palace is also known as the Northern Palace because of its location north of Seoul. Of the 5 palaces standing in the city, Gyeongbokgung is the largest and for some the prettiest. Even though it had been damaged by the flames of war, Gyeongbokgung Palace still contains relics of the Joseon dynasty, repaired in 1611, and today it is the best preserved palace of the Joseon dynasty. Amazingly, Cheongdokgung is included in the UNESCO World Heritage List, entered into the UNESCO List of World Cultural Heritage Sites. Hosong Fortress has a wall that stretches for 5 full 52 kilometers and various military facilities. Built in the 17th century, this fortress was heavily damaged by war. In fact, there are still some areas that cannot be repaired, flanked by modern design buildings. Doksogung Palace provide an interesting contrast in the middle of South City business area. Built in the 15th century, this palace was once the temporary residence of king of the Joseon dynasty and has several historical halls. Included in the list of UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Sites, Hyeosong Fortress has a wall that stretches for 5 full 52 kilometers and various military facilities. Built in the 17th century, this fortress was heavily damaged by war. In fact, there are still some areas that cannot be repaired. That is my explanation about South Korea. Hopefully, it can help those of you who want to visit South Korea when the holidays have come. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.